Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. As you see, my house is a mess. So today I have a after dark power hour video for you. I've given myself an hour to get everything I need to get done. So I guess we'll see if I can do it. But before I get too far into the video, I would love for you to subscribe to our channel so that you can get more cleaning, organizing videos, homeschool, and a little bit of our daily life as we share our trying to conceive journey for baby number 2 after infant loss. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. I usually try to get this table cleaned off every night before going to bed, but over the weekend it had just gotten crazy, and so I wanted to make sure that I started off the morning with a fresh start because this is where we eat breakfast. And I also love this centerpiece. If I haven't showed you guys this was our patriotic centerpiece, and it's made out of an old cake mold that I had gotten at a thrift shop. Just like with all of my Miss Myers, I did get this spray from the Grove Collaborative, and they do have a special right now if you use the link that I have below, where you will get a free Miss Myers set and $10 off. So it's a ton of new products, and it's actually really cheap. So make sure you hit that link before you order. While I am super sure that it is exciting to watch me load my dishwasher, I'm actually going to take this moment to show you a clip from a couple days ago with Bobby cleaning his bathroom. He's hilarious. I do make him clean his bathroom on Wednesdays. That's like his chore, so I thought you might enjoy this clip.
You gotta do this to me. That's for what?
You can empty your trash can into that bag.
Ugh. Can't believe I still have this contract. See, this is what my mom does to me.
Oh, yes.
She records me every single second.
So bad. No, I do not.
Yes, she does.
Oh my God.
Don't mistake her. She will find you and record you. That's what she does. Wait, I think the cleaner.
Yeah, don't forget the glass cleaner too. To spray your mirror.
This one?
No, you gotta spray your mirror first.
Mirror spray is
It's down there.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yep.
You keep going.
I'll go ahead and grab the wand for you.
Okay. Room freshener. No. Oh, plus surfaces. Comment down below which one I should use.
seriously cannot with him. He is too funny, but at least he knows how to scrub a toilet. You're welcome, future wife. Okay, back to the cleaning. I just had to show y'all that clip. He just cracks me up, and I love that he's learning to clean through the YouTube channel and just enjoying it, not really seeing it as a chore, which I think is really important when teaching your children their responsibilities. I know I've told y'all this before, but cleaning out my sink is literally my favorite thing to do with cleaning. I don't know what it is about a clean sink that just makes everything feel right in the world. Candle up from the Dollar Tree the other day, so I was excited to use it and see how it smelled. It was actually really, really good. Very good quality for the Dollar Tree. Honestly, I'm not even sure why we have so many shoes, but we have a ton and they somehow never make it back onto this rack. Y'all, this office is such a catching ground for so much crap. We turned this office into our homeroom classroom last year, just in the middle of the year, but I'm really looking forward to making it an actual classroom. We're actually renovating this classroom right now, and I can't wait to show you guys coming up soon what we did with it. know that they say not to watch TV while you're cleaning because it will distract you, and it totally did, but one of my favorite movies was on, Princess Diaries, and so I had to stop and watch for a second. Took me like under 40 minutes to get everything done that I wanted to get done. So I am going to go have a cup of tea and hit the sack. Thank you guys for cleaning with me. I hope y'all have a great night and God bless.